Can you cancel Rocket Money? Intro. Hey there, you're scrolling through your inbox, mindlessly deleting emails. Suddenly, you spot a familiar sender, Rocket Money. A pang of guilt hits you as you remember signing up for this money-saving app months ago. But have you actually used it? Or is it just sitting there, collecting dust in your digital life? Hook. Today, we're going to dive into the question, can you actually cancel Rocket Money? And if so, how? Let's find out together. Building context. Before we get into the cancellation process, let's take a quick look at what Rocket Money is and how it works. Basically, it's a personal finance app that helps you save money by identifying recurring subscriptions, negotiating bills, and finding better deals. It's a great tool for anyone looking to tighten their budget. The cancellation process. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. How do you cancel Rocket Money? The process is actually quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your account, open the Rocket Money app on your phone or go to the website on your computer. Access settings, look for a settings or profile section. This is usually located in the bottom navigation bar or in the top right corner. Find cancellation option. Within the settings, you should find an option labeled cancel membership or something similar. Confirm cancellation. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your decision. Rocket Money might ask you why you're leaving to gather feedback. Review terms. Make sure to read any terms or conditions related to cancellation. Some apps might have a waiting period before your subscription is officially terminated. Common issues and solutions. While the cancellation process is generally straightforward, there are a few common issues you might encounter. Difficulty finding the cancellation option. If you can't locate the cancellation option, try searching for cancel membership or unsubscribe within the app or website. You might also need to contact Rocket Money's customer support for assistance. Hidden fees or charges. Some apps might have hidden fees or charges associated with cancellation. Make sure to review the terms and conditions carefully to avoid any surprises. Technical glitches. Sometimes, technical glitches can prevent you from successfully canceling your subscription. If you're having trouble, try logging out and logging back in, or contacting Rocket Money's customer support. Alternatives to Rocket Money. If you decide to cancel Rocket Money, there are plenty of other personal finance apps available. Here are a few popular alternatives. Mint, a comprehensive financial management app that offers budgeting, tracking, and investment tools. Personal Capital, a wealth management platform that provides investment advice and financial planning services. NAB, you need a budget, a zero-based budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses. Conclusion. So, can you cancel Rocket Money? Absolutely. The process is relatively simple, and there are several alternatives available if you're looking for a new personal finance app. Before you make a decision, consider your needs and preferences to find the best fit for your financial goals. Call to action. Have you ever struggled to cancel a subscription? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful financial tips. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.